Vowel in egg. E. Pronunciation Activation Pack 5. The IPA chart. I've introduced the IPA chart showing the 44 sounds of British English in Pronunciation Activation Packs 1, 2 and 3, so I won't go into details about it here. If you want to know about the short and long pure vowels, monosyllabic and multisyllabic words, onsets, peaks and codas, take a look at the first 3 pronunciation activation packs in this comprehensive course. They're available for the price you want to pay at Britlish.com. Egg. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at the 5th of the pure vowels, E. We'll look at the letter combinations that give the E sound. We'll look at lots of words which have the E sound in them. Finally, we'll activate your ability to hear and produce the E sound correctly. Letter combinations for E. The short pure vowel sound E can be formed by these letter combinations: E, EA, A, and rarely U, AI, EI, EO, and IE. Practice. I bet Meg's legs leapt fences and hedges as well. Practice. They said Jeff's Czech friend Fred went to bed, slept, and was found dead, the poor wretch. Practice. I guess many dead are buried in Leicester's cemeteries. Practice. I reckon Ben was so deaf he misread what Ellen said under her breath by the hedge. Minimal pairs. A minimal pair is a pair of words which are almost the same except for one different sound. In this case, the vowel sound. There are some vowel sounds in minimal pairs which can cause confusion with the E sound for students. The most notable ones are A, phonetic, fanatic, pedal, puddle, essay, assay, A, cellar, sailor, ear, herring, hearing, air, ferry, fairy. Most common, E. The most common way to represent the E sound is through the letter E. Don't let this mislead you into thinking that every letter E makes the E sound. The letter E appears 9 times in that last sentence, but the E sound appears only twice. Look at the practice sections again to see the different ways to make the E sound. Pronunciation activator. As I said, there are some minimal pairs in English which cause confusion with the E sound. I've created some interesting exercises in the pronunciation activator to help you better hear and produce the different vowel sounds. Each time you do the pronunciation activator, you'll be given 5 random exercises from a large database of exercises. The exercises will fully activate your use of the E sound for both speaking and listening. The wrens are here already.
Yes, that's right.
Rest, wrist, wretch, rich, wrens, rains, wreck, rack.
Yes, that's right.
That's a huge expanse.
No, I'm afraid that's wrong.
I'll speak to the tailor and try to get your money back.
Yes, that's right.
That man has a nice beard.
Yes, that's right. Well done, you passed.
Dictionary. There's a good chance that some of the words used in this pronunciation activation pack will be new to you. To help you out, I've compiled an extensive dictionary of vocabulary used. The dictionary gives you the meaning of all the words used in this pronunciation activation pack. You can download the dictionary as a PDF document from the resources link at the top left of the pronunciation activation pack. Phonetic transcription. I've also compiled a phonetic transcript of all the words and minimal pairs I included in the pronunciation activator. You can read each word and each minimal pair in Latin script alongside the British English IPA transcription. With your growing understanding of the British English IPA chart, this will help you to see how different letter combinations can produce different sounds. You can download the phonetic transcriptions as a PDF document from the resources link at the top left of the pronunciation activation pack. Use it in combination with the dictionary if you're uncertain of the meaning of any of the words included in the list. Phonetics activator. The many exercises in the pronunciation activator are also available for you in phonetic script in the phonetics activator. The phonetics activator will help you to develop your ability to read and understand the British English IPA chart. By doing these exercises, you'll activate your phonetic skills in an easy and engaging way and will pave the way towards a better British English accent. The cat got its paws tangled in the netting.
Yes, that's right.
There aren't any ferries here anymore.
Yes, that's right.
Can you come and collect the pellets this afternoon?
No, I'm afraid that's wrong.
You should get some professional advice about your allergy.
Yes, that's right.
Impel, impale, inflect, inflict, interbred, interbreed, inflex, inflicts.
Well, you almost got it right. Nice try, but I'm afraid you didn't pass.
Pronunciation activation packs. The pronunciation activation packs are going to help you develop a proper British English accent. After many years spent teaching students around the world to improve their pronunciation, I wanted to help many more students than I could reach one at a time. I created this series to explain every aspect of British English pronunciation in an entertaining and efficient way. You can pay what you want for each pack, from as little as €1, so it's very affordable and fantastic value for money. Short of taking one-to-one classes with me on Skype, this is as close as you can get to having private English classes with a native English teacher. Pronunciation activation packs. The pronunciation activation packs are going to help you get the British accent you've always wanted. First, you'll learn all of the 44 British English IPA symbols to make improving your pronunciation easier and faster than ever. Next, I'll teach you all about different aspects of British English pronunciation, including strong and weak forms of words, function and content words, stress patterns, and intonation, to mention a few of the areas this course covers. Pronunciation Activation Packs. Work your way through these pronunciation activation packs and you'll have a complete understanding of British English pronunciation. This valuable knowledge will help you not only improve your pronunciation, but will also make listening to native English speakers easier for you. You can buy pronunciation activation packs in any order you want, but I designed the whole course to be completed in order. If you start from Activation Pack 1 and continue from there, you'll learn things that will help you in the following pronunciation activation packs. Online English classes. If you really want to improve your English faster than you ever thought possible, online English classes are for you. I've taught many thousands of online English classes since 2006. My students find that online English classes are the most convenient way to learn English. Wherever you have an internet connection, you can have your English classes. At home, in the office, or even in the park. Wherever you are, I'll come to you. Book an introductory class at Britlish.com today and see how online English classes can help you get the level of English you've always dreamed of.